Hello everyone, good morning. I hope you all are fine. I welcome you in this word problem session number 5. Today we are going to discuss type number 6 based on work done and time. After speed, distance, and time, this is the next important part. One question in case if it is not speed, distance, and time, surely you will find work done and time questions in it. Okay, so these two types extremely important in terms of word problem, both quadratic equation as well as linear equation. So let's understand the concept first before we begin. First of all, let us know what is work done and how is that related to the time, and then you may understand the concept clearly. So I'll just give you one simple example of the tank. Imagine there is a tank and there are two pipes filling the tank. One pipe takes 3 hours individually to fill this tank, and the other one takes 6 hours to fill the same tank. Okay, individually. So, individually, this pipe A can fill in 3 hours, and pipe B can fill the same tank in 6 hours. If imagine both the pipes fills the tank together, both the pipes are on together, then how much time it will take to fill the tank? This is the simple puzzle. Okay, so I want answer from you. I'm just waiting. I'm telling you answer in the same video, but you can pause the video and find out okay, what is the answer. I can give you options. So option A is 9 hours. Option B is 4.5 hours. Option C is 3 hours. And option D is 2 hours. Okay, so you can keep your options ready. I repeat the question. Pipe A fills the tank individually in 3 hours and pipe B fills the tank individually in 6 hours. How much time it would take in case if both the pipes or both the taps are on together? Okay, question is clear. Options are here. Can you find the answer? Chalo. I will wait for 3 seconds and then I'm expecting answer from you. You can pause if you want. 1, 2, 3. Let's talk about it. In case if your answer is 9 hours, then it is completely wrong. Okay, it is not possible that this both the pipes can fill in 9 hours. See, this pipe is filling in 6 hours and this is filling in 3 hours. Together they are on. I hope you understand. Logically think about it. ये तो 3 hours में भरेगा ही ना, right? Above that, extra water this pipe B is contributing. So accordingly, it will be less than 3 hours in fact. And what is less than 3 hours? Answer is nothing but D. So here is the correct answer. So what exactly I understand? What exactly I understand in this puzzle? That time can't be added to give me the answer for such questions. Okay, now how to tackle this kind of questions? How to understand it? Okay, so let's know that. कुछ नहीं करना, I'll just tell you one simple concept here again. So I know that the pipe A and pipe B are filling the tank. A fills in 3 hours. Imagine if only 1 hour it is working, only 1 hour. So isn't it if it is working in 1 hour, after each hour it will be filling this much part, right? How much is this part? Is it 1 by 3? 1/3 part of the tank will be filled in 1 hour. Okay, so this 1/3 is called as a work done. Okay, and 3 is called as a time. Clear? Got the point? Pipe B is filling the tank in 6 hours. This is filling in 6 hours. So how much part of the tank it will fill in 1 hour? तो ये इतने पार्ट फिल करेगा ना, 1 2 3 4 5 6. तो ये इतना पार्ट क्या करेगा? फिल करेगा. I'll just fill it. How much is this part? This is 1 by 6. and this is 6 hours. Okay, so this is 1 by 6 is called as a work done, and this 6 hours is nothing but called as a time. I hope you understand that time and work done are reciprocal of each other. You can check that. Okay, is this clear? I am hoping that there is no difficulty now. Sure, confirm, understood the concept. तो आंसर देखते हैं, क्वेश्चन का आंसर कैसे सॉल्व करना है इस क्वेश्चन का, इसका और एक्चुअल क्वेश्चंस का कुछ रिलेशन नहीं है, बस आई वांटेड टू टेल यू द आंसर, सो आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू. सो व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड हियर इज टुगेदर दे फील द टैंक इन हाउ मेनी आवर्स. ओके, टुगेदर ये कितना टाइम लेता है टू फील द टैंक कंप्लीटली. तो व्हाट आई कैन डू इज टुगेदर मीन्स व्हाट, in 1 hour pipe A fills it like 1 by 3, and in 1 hour pipe B fills it 1/6 of the part. Together in 1 hour they fill in 1/6 plus 1 by 3 part together, isn't it? So work done gets added. Fine. तो कितना पार्ट फिल करता है ये टुगेदर, लेट अस चेक. तो इंटू टू, सो 2 plus 1 3, 3 by 6, 1 by 2, मतलब हाफ पार्ट ऑफ द tank will be filled in 1 hour. In 1 hour. So how much time it will take to fill the tank? Yes, exactly 2 hours. Which is reciprocal of this. ये work done है, ये time है. Which is again reciprocal of this. It's a very simple concept. Very, very simple concept. So what I understand in this complete question, that work done and time are reciprocal of each other. First thing. Second thing, you cannot work on time. You have to work on work done. Okay, that's two things we understand. So this much concept is more than enough to know the questions after this. Okay, so let's understand next one. So here are the questions. Okay, I will solve the question one by one. Maybe one question solving is more than sufficient because all the question of same category. Each and every question is of the same category, so you don't have to worry. हम लोग एक क्वेश्चन प्रॉपरली सॉल्व करते हैं. इफ यू वांट टू ट्राई वी कैन गो फॉर अनदर क्वेश्चन, वन मोर क्वेश्चन, एंड देन यू हैव टू कंप्लीट ओनली 4 क्वेश्चंस टुडे. ओके, दीज 4. तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन विल डिस्कस. क्वेश्चन क्या है कि 2 men and 7 boys कैन कंप्लीट अ पीस ऑफ वर्क इन 4 days. ये रहा मेरा पहला स्टेटमेंट विच इज गोइंग टू गिव मी फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. द सेम वर्क इज डन इन 3 days बाय 4 men and 4 boys. ये रहा मेरा second statement which is going to give me second equation. How long it would take to take one man and one boy to do the same work alone. That means there is separate time I have to find out. Okay, so how this is to be done. ये तो clearly है कि it is something related to work done and time. Time is nothing but यहाँ पे 4 days है, and work done this boys and men are doing. Is this clear? Got it? तो लेट्स स्टार्ट. जो हमें फाइंड करना है उसके लिए देखते हैं. लेट द टाइम फॉर अ मैन टू कंप्लीट वर्क is X days. Okay, and time for a boy to complete the same work will be Y days. फाइन. लेकिन ये तो टाइम है. हमने क्या सोचा था कि टाइम पे वर्क नहीं करना है. किस पे वर्क करना है? वर्क डन पे. तो मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट आफ्टर दिस यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट दिस टू वर्क डन. और हमें क्या पता है वर्क डन एंड टाइम कैसे रिलेटेड होते हैं? वर्क डन इज रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ टाइम. ओके, सो व्हाट इज वर्क डन? देयरफॉर वर्क डन इज 1 by X, एंड यहाँ पे वर्क डन विल बी 1 by Y. ये इंपॉर्टेंट है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. मतलब एक मैन कैन कंप्लीट दिस मच वर्क इन 1 day एंड 1 boy कैन कंप्लीट दिस मच वर्क इन 1 day. ये है वर्क डन. वर्क डन का सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट है, एकदम सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट. तो ये क्लियर हो गया आइडिया. एक बार ये क्लियर हो गया तो बाकी सब कुछ क्लियर हो जाएगा. देयर इज नो इशू एट ऑल. ओके, स्टार्ट करेंगे. चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट. अभी कुछ नहीं, इक्वेशन बनाना है. इट्स नॉट डिफिकल्ट लाइक योर स्पीड डिस्टेंस एंड टाइम. इट्स सो सिंपल दैन दैट. कुछ नहीं, बस इक्वेशन बना देना है. एक मैन कैन कंप्लीट दिस मच वर्क, 1/x काम करता है. अभी देख लो 2 men है तो क्या होगा? 2/x होगा. प्लस टुगेदर काम करे ना तो एडिशन. वर्क डन ऑफ बॉय इज 1 by Y. 7 boys आर देयर तो 7/Y. 7 into 1 by y, 7 upon y. Now together they can complete the work in 4 days. देख लो, ये क्या है, ये वर्क डन है, ये भी वर्क डन है. दो वर्क डन का एडिशन टाइम थोड़ी होगा. दो वर्क डन का एडिशन इज गोइंग टू बी वर्क डन अगेन, राइट. सो इज इक्वल्स टू 4 days है, लेकिन ये डेज नहीं चाहिए मुझे क्या चाहिए, वर्क डन चाहिए. वर्क डन एंड टाइम क्या होता है, रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ ईच अदर. 4 days का वर्क डन कितना होगा, 1/4. तो ये हो जाएगा 1/4. ये आ गया मेरा इक्वेशन. आइडिया क्लियर? गॉट द पॉइंट? डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड इट? कम ऑन, लेट्स गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन. ये आ गया फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. सेकंड इक्वेशन क्या है, इन 3 days 4 men, 4 men मतलब 4/x प्लस 4 boys, 4 boys मतलब 4/y gives equal to the work done in 3 days. 3 days मतलब कितना हो गया वर्क डन, बताओ जरा जल्दी फटाफट. 1/3. दिस विल बी इक्वेशन नंबर 2. ये आ गया मेरे दो इक्वेशंस, मेरे राम लखन, मेरे करण अर्जुन. अभी इनको क्या करेंगे, हम लोग यूज़ करेंगे. दैट्स इट, इट्स नॉट डिफिकल्ट टास्क. तो कैसे इसको यूज़ करते हैं, लेट, है ना, लेट 1/x इज इक्वल्स टू a, 1/y इज इक्वल्स टू b. तो ये दो इक्वेशंस क्या बन गए, मैं यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ. 2a प्लस 7b इज इक्वल्स टू 1/4 एंड ये 4a प्लस 4b इज इक्वल्स टू 1/3. ओके, इस 1/4 1/3 को कुछ नहीं करना है, कीप इट एज इट इज़. लेटर ऑन यू कैन ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट. इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, इस इक्वेशन को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, है ना, तो 4 बन जाएगा एंड सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. इक्वेशन सॉल्व. ओके, आई होप देयर इज नो कन्फ्यूजन हियर. चलो, सो लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. अगला एक क्वेश्चन देखता हूँ और उसके बाद मैं वीडियो बंद कर दूंगा. आपको खुद से वर्क करना है इस क्वेश्चंस पे, ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. अगेन आई रिपीट, ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, जस्ट फॉलो करोगे यू विल अंडरस्टैंड एवरीथिंग. चलो नेक्स्ट वन. टू women and 5 men can together finish the work of embroidery in 4 days. ठीक है, 4 days. ये आ गया मेरा फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. वही कैटेगरी है, वही कैटेगरी. तो लेट, पहले वुमेन है तो पहले वुमेन को कंसिडर करते हैं. लेट अ वुमन कंप्लीट वर्क इन x, अभी देखते हैं डेज है ना, x डेज. देयरफॉर वर्क डन विल बी इक्वल टू 1/x, राइट. इन 1 डे का काम कितना होगा उसका, 1/x होगा. अ मैन, विमेन नहीं होना चाहिए ना यहाँ पे, विमेन हो गया यहाँ पे गलती से. ओके, अ विमेन. ओके, अ मैन complete the work in y days. Therefore work done कितना हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा 1/y. बात समझ में आ गई, बस कॉन्सेप्ट खत्म. अभी शुरू करते हैं वर्क. 7 men मतलब 2 women, सॉरी सेकेंड क्वेश्चन चल रहा है ना. 2 women मतलब ये इंटू 2, तो 2/x प्लस 5 men मतलब दिस इंटू 5, सो 5/y इज इक्वल्स टू कंप्लीट्स द वर्क इन 4 days. 4 days का मतलब क्या हो गया, 4 days तो यहाँ पे 4 तो नहीं लिख सकते बिकॉज दिस इज वर्क डन, दिस इज वर्क डन. दो वर्क डन का एडिशन टाइम कैसे होगा, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. सो व्हाट आई हैव टू डू हियर, कम एंड टेल मी. इट इज 1/4, राइट, 1/4. क्लियर, दिस विल बी माई इक्वेशन नंबर 1. सेकेंड इक्वेशन कैसे होगा देख लेते हैं. 3 women मतलब 3/x प्लस 6 men मतलब 6/y gives equal to 1/3. That's it. So here are my 2 equations and that's it. My work is done. Okay, then 1/x is equals to a, 1/y is equals to b, and now you get your answer. Okay, believe me, the answers are really very big. That means sometime you get answer like 80, 70, 60, 280, 180 and all. Such a big answer you get of x and y. Okay, not to worry for it, it is true, the answers are correct. I am purposely not solving the complete question in front of you. You have to solve it yourself. Okay, it's not easy, it's not difficult compared to your previous type. It's easier than the previous type. Okay, तो मैं फिर से बताता हूँ. 1/x को a कंसिडर किया तो इक्वेशन 1 becomes 2a plus 5b is equals to 1/4 एंड ये हो जाता है 3a + 6b इज इक्वल टू 1/3। एंड इन दोनों को सॉल्व करना है डायरेक्टली, फ्रैक्शन को कुछ नहीं करना है, जस्ट आपको कोएफिशिएंट सेम करने हैं। ओके, तो इसमें 2 and 3 कोएफिशिएंट सेम कर सकते हैं। कैसे? इसको मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 और इसको मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2, तो यू गेट योर कोएफिशिएंट सेम एंड देन सब्ट्रैक्ट एंड यू गेट योर आंसर। ओके, तो आज का जो होमवर्क है वो दिस इज द होमवर्क। You have to complete all the 4 questions. That's it, enough. And this practice is also enough. I don't have to give you more. But again, just I repeat for you all, please complete the work daily, because don't know how many days this will continue, and many of your friends are properly completing it, okay, on time. They are asking doubts, they get things clear. There are very few students, and I have noted their names as well, those who all are not completing on time. So what exactly is going to happen, let me tell you. It's not going to hamper my work, it's not going to hamper uh, your time and all. It is just going to hamper your scores. Okay, now if you are wasting your time, now if you consider these are vacations going on, it is really going to be very difficult for you. Later on you don't even get time, don't even get Sunday, don't even get any of the holiday to enjoy. So right now, let me tell you, do not waste your time in enjoying whole day. It is not vacations, these are preparation days going on. The only thing is we are preparing it online or using videos, but it's regular school. Okay, so you have to work like a regular school. So keep this in mind and then decide. So it's a very simple approach I'm giving you. Complete the given work on time, that's it. This will be done. You don't have to struggle anything other than this. You have to just complete the work on time. This will help you to learn everything. Believe me, this will help you to learn everything. You don't even have to worry anything. Okay, no extra questions, no reference books, nothing. Only thing is that complete the work on time. That's it. So easy things I'm making. I'm giving you less questions because you have got science work as well. So keeping everything in mind, I'm just managing everything. You don't have to worry. थोड़ा सा आप लोगों को स्ट्रगल करना है कि you have to complete it daily. Okay, so keep in mind, decide today that unless and until you complete your task, you are not going to sleep. Unless and until you complete your maths and science work, you are not going to sleep. Okay, so whatever is assigned, whatever task is assigned, you have to complete it on the same day. Clear? Thank you so much. Please don't allow me to call your parents. The extreme cases, I can just remove you from the group itself. Okay, because you are no more capable to learn without a teacher in front of you. No more capable. Okay, that maturity you don't have. So I have to remove you from the group. So keep this in mind. Don't allow me to take any strict action. Clear? Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.